one day I'm gonna die, and I'm gonna take all of you with me.
Please have mercy on us all.
I was worried a storm was coming. We need to go into the swamp. Let's go towards the train instead.
No, it'll be all right. It'll be fine. Go on without us.
Our Father, who art in heaven, hallowed be thy name. Thy kingdom come, thy will be done, on earth as it is in heaven. Give us this day our daily bread. Forgive us our trespasses, as we forgive those who trespass against us. Lead us not into temptation, but deliver us from evil. Amen.
I told you it was gonna come.
Join us at La Branch Wetland Watchers Park for the 5th annual Haunted History Hike. Come out on Saturday, October 27th and enjoy a spooky tour and learn about the history of the land. Admission is $5 and the tour lasts from 6 to 10 p.m. See you there.